Here's the question I was asked. Is there any appropriate etiquette to using LinkedIn groups? I think there should be appropriate etiquette for using any and all social media platforms, including LinkedIn and LinkedIn groups, Facebook, Instagram, Tinder, TikTok, Bumble, whatever. There's etiquette for using all of them if you want to get real long-term value for them. So let's just talk about LinkedIn groups for a minute and what some of the etiquette would be about using LinkedIn groups. First of all, I think that you should only join groups where you are relevant to the group, where your expertise, your value, your skill, your involvement is relevant to that group. Now, if you're going to join a group, think mutually beneficial. You want to join a group where you can learn, and you want to join a group where you can help others. So make sure that you're joining groups that are relevant to you and where you can bring value as well as get value from that group. Now, when you are in a LinkedIn group, you want to share content infrequently that is relevant and of interest or beneficial to the group members. Do not join a LinkedIn group and start sharing lots of content that you have not confirmed for yourself clearly that content can be, again, relevant, of interest, and useful to those group members. Additionally, you don't want to just show up in the group and be barfing out content. You want to also look for conversations that are going on in the group and participate in those conversations. Networking is not about you showing up and doling out content. Networking is about you showing up and getting into real, meaningful, relevant, interesting conversations that are already ongoing in the group. So what I recommend you do is that you engage on group content 4 times as often as you share content to that group. And that'll show the group members that you're serious about participating and being a part of the group. Now, you will likely have the desire or interest to share about your company, your products, your services to the group members. And that's okay. However, do it 1 time out of 10. So for every 10 pieces of content, for every 10 articles, for every 10 stories that you share in the group, only 1 time can it be about your business, your products, your services. The other 9 times it should be relevant, and most importantly, relevant to the group members and are of interest to the group members and bring some value to them. But if you do that for 9 times and the 10th time you share something about your business, then the group members will be accepting of that. If you fail to do that and the majority of the content you share in the group is about you, your business, your products, your services, I can promise you in quick, short order, the group members will start turning their back on you, and that will deflate or actually eliminate any potential value from that LinkedIn group. Additionally, when you are engaging with a comment or engaging with a reply to content in the group that's relevant to you and relevant to the group members, then try to use the member's name. Try to use the name of the member who shared the content when you're commenting. Try to use the member's name who commented when you were replying. When you use their name in the conversation, it shows them that you're paying attention, and people want to see their name or they want to hear their name in those conversations. And I mentioned this earlier, don't join a group with the intention of harvesting connections or harvesting contact information. That's not why you're joining a group. That might be a side effect or benefit of being in the group, but it shouldn't be your primary purpose, because the group members do not want you to use a group as a Rolodex of contact information. That would be absolutely rude to do. And my final point is this: strive to become a trusted resource in the group. Strive to become someone that they can respect and trust. And then the group members who are those who are participating in the group, which you'll typically find it's very few, but the group members who are participating in the group will trust and respect you more and be willing to get into conversations with you because you're proven yourself to be a trusted resource in the group. LinkedIn groups are hard to create real value in. So again, don't try to harvest information or contact information or members from the LinkedIn group. Invest a little bit of time in groups each week, not a lot. But again, do it with the goal of mutually beneficial and sharing ideas and information that can present you as a trusted resource. And you'll, again, long-term get more value from the right LinkedIn groups. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope these ideas are useful for you.